Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture on this GATE 2021 mathematics solution. Today we will see how you can solve this question number 22, which is related to this curve fitting polynomials are there. So whenever this is very common questions are there, almost in each of this GATE examination, this kind of the question will you can see this type of the question in your GATE 2020, 2021, maybe in this 2022 and many previous years are there. This is question number, this is of the 1 marks is, and there is no negative marking are there, so you must have to attempt this. So how you can find the coefficient of this alpha beta gamma and there when you fit this polynomial. So we will see this how you can solve such kind of the question within a 1 minute in this presentation. Myself, Dr. Garg, you can simply follow this link for finding the various previous year questions solutions are there. Now how you can think about that, how you can solve such kind of the problems are there. So the one way is that you can find the divided difference of the first value f, then you can find the second divided difference and so on, but there is no need of that. I will tell you very simple shortcut tricks are there. Since this is a polynomial which interpolate this data are there, what is the meaning of that? It means this must satisfied on this p. So once it will satisfied, it means you can substitute these points are here. For example, when x is minus of 2, this part will be 0. This is a 0. This is 0. So what is that? It means alpha is my 2. This is the first equation. You need the values of this. Now when you substitute minus of 1, this part will be 0. This part will be 0. So only these two are there. So that is alpha. When minus 1, it will be my beta. What is the value of this is? Minus of 1. So when alpha is 2, so what is the value of the beta? It's my minus of 3. You get also beta. Now once you can substitute x as a 0, what will happen? This is alpha plus 2 beta plus 2 gamma. Since there is a x, if multiply them, it will be 0. So here, so now alpha is 2, beta is 3. So it will be my here. So can you find the value of gamma easily? So it will be my minus of 4. It's a 12. 12 by 4, it's nothing but 12 by 2 is nothing but my 6. Now since this value is my 2, this value is my minus of 3, this value is my plus of 6, now you need the value of delta. Now you have the two unknowns are there, two values, so you can use any one of them. So I can use this value because it's a 34 is my very large number. So when it's a 1, so what will happen? It's a alpha plus 3 times beta plus 6 times gamma plus this is a 6, this is a 1. 6 times delta is nothing but my 5. So you can substitute the values of the alpha. Alpha is my 2. This is nothing but my 3 minus 9 plus of 36 plus 6 of delta is nothing but my 5. So what will happen? This is nothing but my 6 delta is nothing but my 5. What is that? This is my minus 7 and this is nothing but my minus of 29. So what is the value of the delta from here? This is nothing but my minus of 4. So you can substitute minus 4 here. What is the answer? This is my plus of 2. This is my minus of 1. So the right answer is my plus 1 is there. So you can see that there is no worry about that. Whether you can use the Lagrange interpolation formula, Newton divided difference, there is no need of solving them. You have to simply satisfy these points in the given polynomial. So you will get the alpha, beta, gamma, delta, all are there. You can substitute, you will get the required answer. We will see in our next class how you can solve the another questions like of this, and now for after that 2 marks question which is of the 13 marks within 1 minute shortcut tricks in this here. I hope you can like this video on this my channel are there. You can subscribe them, share this video with your friends. Best of luck.